Hey guys, I'm Shamira and I have the day off of work. Woo!
We'll be taking a quick break from this video to explain exactly what you should be doing if you have the day off of work. 1 wine, 2 coffee, 3 treats. And cheers to that. Now let's get into the video.
So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how I curl plop my hair. Plus, what's the plus? I'm blanking out. Oh yeah. Plus, I added in a clip of what it looks like when I don't curly hair plop my hair, so we can compare the plop versus the non-plop. When I told my boyfriend I was making a video about how to curly hair plop, he was like, "So, pooping?" No. Hair plopping is a way of drying your hair that really just reinforces your curl pattern. But it doesn't actually really dry your hair that well. It reinforces your curl pattern and it aids in the drying of your hair. Alright you guys, I'm gonna go take a shower so that we can get into the curly hair plopping. Let's go. Be sure that you give this video a thumbs up, you subscribe, you comment below what your favorite hair drying technique is. Do you like hair plopping? Do you like diffusing? Do you like air drying? Let me know, I'm curious. And I don't know, let's just be best friends and hang out every single Wednesday. Alright you guys, let's get into the routine. Well, actually, we're not really gonna get into the routine because I just filmed a Curlsmith review. I did my whole routine, so if you guys want to see that, go watch this after that video. It's right up here, and you can see exactly how we do our hair. Okay guys, so now that we have the product in our hair and our routine is done, we are ready to plop. I'm using a microfiber towel, but you can use a t-shirt or, you know, whatever you have lying around that's not like a legit towel, because apparently that's bad for your hair. So micro towels, microfiber towels, not micro towels. Can you imagine if I just pulled out like a tiny baby towel and I was like, So what you're gonna do is take your hair and bring it all over. I kind of like bring it to the sides like this. Then you're gonna take it with your hand like this and just lower your head down into the middle. Once it's in the middle, I take this front section here and I curl that up to my forehead. Then I take this back section and I bring it to the front. Okay. Then I'm going to grab these two ends and I twist, twist, keep twisting. Okay. And then I tie it like this. I'm just gonna tell this to you because you're my best friend. I don't think I'm the best plopper. Like, I definitely think there are videos that will show you how to plop better technique-wise, but I honestly don't think it matters. I've been doing this for like a few months exactly like this, and it makes such a big difference. Like, the actual technique doesn't matter as long as you just get your hair on top of your head and smush it down. It's all about the smush. So we will wait for 45 minutes and then I'll come back and show you guys what it looks like, and then once it's dry, I'll show you guys the results. Actually, I'll just come back once it's dry to show you guys the results. This is the hair plop results. I love it. I just think it makes my curls like really zhuzhes them up. And it just makes all these really cute little ringlets, which I love. Now I'm gonna insert some clips from non-hair plopping. Morning, guys. Alright, I'm a little tired. I woke up an hour early before work to film this for you guys because that is how much I love you. If that's not a true testament of love, then I literally don't know what is. Okay, so it's gonna take me a second to remember what I'm doing. So what do you guys like to do in the morning? Anything fun? Nothing is going on in my brain right now. It's hard to form a sentence because I'm tired. Alright, so based on, God, I need more coffee. It's crazy. Okay, so based on how my hair looks now, I think it might dry pretty nice without the hair plop, but it's not as curly. Maybe I'll insert a clip of my hair after a hair plop, but You guys actually just saw that, so I don't need to insert a clip. Anywho, so yeah, this is my hair. It's 7:40, my work starts at 8, so I actually have 20 minutes to clock in. What am I gonna do? Maybe I'll just finish my rice cake. Oh. Anywho, I'm gonna chill and then clock in for work in 20 minutes, and then on my lunch break I'll come back and show you guys how the non-hair plop turned out. Hey guys, so I just finished the first half of the workday. I'm gonna have Eric see if he'll film my hair really quickly so you guys can get a full view of this bad boy, and we can decide if curly hair plopping works or doesn't work. It will be better if you stand. Alright, so this is my hair when I don't curly plop. I'm gonna turn like this. I'll show you guys what it looks like from the back.
Nice.
So I still think it looks good, but you can tell that the curls are like, there are a lot of S curls instead of like coil curls, and it's just like a bit messier. Get a lot of curls like this. See, they make an S instead of a ringlet. That's a great example of the two types of curl patterns I have. So when I don't plop, I get a lot more S's. But yeah, this is the result. I mean, not bad. It looks good, but I will still be plopping my hair because I like more of these curls. Alright you guys, thank you so much for watching the video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Obviously, the results are in, and curly plopping works. So I will see you in the next video. Definitely make sure that if you like this video and if you like me, you subscribe and share this video with your friends, you know? Let's spread the love. Alright, I'll see you in my next one, guys. Bye!